Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is how to increase eBay dropship profits with points. And I'll also show you at the end of this video how and where to get 70,000 points for free. If anybody new to this channel, my name's Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. If you have a dropship business and you're not paying for your inventory using a rewards card, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. If you're a full-time dropship seller, you could be missing out on literally thousands of dollars of extra profits. Most dropship suppliers these days accept some kind of credit card, whether it's Visa, American Express or other cards. And there's so many credit cards these days that offer reward points for every dollar that you spend with them, plus you get up to 55 days to pay. This enables you to stay cash flow positive as you're paid by your customers often weeks before you need to pay for that credit card statement. These reward points can be used for not just free flights, but you can also convert them to a multitude of other things, including gift cards from major department stores to purchase TVs, computers, phones, iPads, etc. And then from there, you can sell or drop ship those items. This in turn increases your dropship margins or profits. Let me show you an example. Let's say you have just a hobby-sized dropship business that purchases, say, $2,500 per week, or for round numbers, $10,000 per month. An average frequent flyer card, like this Qantas one, gives 1 frequent flyer point per dollar that you spend. So that means you get 10,000 frequent flyer points per month, which of course is 120,000 points per year. So what can you do with those points? You can't convert the points straight to cash. However, you can convert them to gift cards for large retail stores. For example, you can purchase a $100 JB Hi-Fi card for 19,730 points, or for round numbers, for 20,000 points, you get a $100 JB Hi-Fi gift card. So if you have a small hobby-sized dropship business purchasing 10k per month or 120k per year, that's an extra $600 worth of gift cards for no extra work. Let's take this to the next level of moving from hobby to a small full-time eBay dropshipping business that's purchasing, say, 500k per year. That's 500,000 frequent fly points that can be converted to $2,500 worth of gift cards, again for doing no extra work. Now note though that some credit card companies like Qantas only give 1 point per dollar for the first $10,000 that you spend each month. Then the extra points for the month is only half a point per dollar. But even at those rates, that's still 310,000 points or $1,600 worth of gift cards. There are though companies like American Express that don't have a cap each month and give 1 or more points per dollar even when you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Now, depending on which country you're located determines which frequent flyer point to join. In Australia, for example, Qantas Frequent Flyer is very popular. One thing to note is though, many cards have a yearly membership fee and you need to take that into account. However, there's always offers from the credit card companies who are trying to get your business each year, like this one where Qantas is currently offering a bonus 90,000 points for free for joining, or a $0 annual fee. As another example, currently the American Express Platinum card is offering 2.25 points for every dollar that you spend. ANZ is currently offering 70,000 bonus points free for joining and a free annual fee. Most frequent flyer cards offer some sort of incentive for joining each year. And as a general rule, you normally get more points with American Express compared to a Visa card. However, not always. The banks are always coming up with new offers. Note though that not every supplier will accept American Express. You need to check with each of your suppliers which cards they accept. If you're researching credit cards, make sure that you check what is the conversion ratio of the rewards points to a frequent flyer point. What I mean by this is, if your credit card company gives you, say, 1 reward point for every dollar that you spend, can these reward points be converted 1-to-1 to say a Qantas frequent flyer point? Sometimes this is not the case. Some credit card companies require 1.5 or 2 reward points for every 1 Qantas frequent flyer point, whereas other credit card companies give a 1-to-1 ratio. Also, many business expenses like eBay fees, Amazon fees, car expenses, etc. can also be paid via credit card to rack up even more points. Of course though, check with your accountant about using frequent flyer points. If you need more dropship suppliers that accept these cards, I have a free list of over 900 dropship suppliers all over the world that you can download now for free. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home without leaving their home and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, live small, sell more. This is Waterhouse.